Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video we will learn how to draw a swan. So we have drawn here the curvy lines, feathers, water floating, and here it is completed. In this video we will learn how to draw a frog with the help of two circles, lower body, a big wide smile, two hands and two legs. Here you can color your frog and now it is completed. In this video, we will learn how to draw a running horse with the help of a face, starting from a face and the back portion, then four legs, so two legs are in the air and another two legs which is on the ground, the thick tail of the frog and a brown mane from the back. Here our horse is ready. We will learn how to draw an aeroplane with the help of these outlines and wings, tail of the aeroplane, windows. You can color it with your favorite color. Here we'll learn how to draw a bunny which is dancing with the long ears and face, two hands, a very pretty dress. Here it is completed. In this video, we will learn how to draw a dancing girl. So with the help of the black marker, we'll go for the face, hands, very pretty dress, legs and long hairs. Finally, you can color it with your favorite colors. In this video, we will learn how to draw a bunny which is lying on a ground. So firstly, we'll go with the long ears, round curvy body, eyes and a cute tail. Here it is ready. In this video, we will learn how to draw a bunny with wearing a cute frock, and here it's looking the final touch. In this video, we will learn how to draw a Hello Kitty with a ribbon and a pretty frog, and here are the cute little hands of the Hello Kitty. So here our drawing is completed. In this video, we will learn how to draw a shell. You know where the shells are found? It is usually under the ocean or near it. It is usually in the sands. Here in this video, we will learn how to draw a vegetable. This is a vegetable which is green in color and it is called a lettuce. Lettuce is very fibrous vegetable. You can color it with the green color. In this video, we will learn how to draw a footwear which have a very heel to it. Means it is a very heighted footwear. Thank you for watching our video.